Hey guys, so before the video starts, I need to thank you. What I mean by that is we hit 100 subs on the channel. That's a huge deal. Like, I know it's just 100 subscribers, but to me, it's crazy, and it's a feeling that I've never felt before. Sorry if you hear chicken, I have chickens. The fact that 100 plus, I mean, I think we're at 113 now. The fact that you guys take time out of your day to watch my videos, it's just a feeling I've never felt before, and I didn't think that this would literally go anywhere. I just wanted to make videos because I like photography, I like making videos, I like taking pictures, and I love cars. Cars are a huge, big part of my life. And the fact that I can take videos of customers' cars in my detailing business and share them with you guys, the viewer, and you guys enjoy it and comment and tell me everything you like, which, by the way, carpet extractions, I know you guys love it. I love them too. I watch a lot of videos on them. There are more coming, so I'm sorry for the wait. You gotta let me do it, but there are a lot of exterior details too, and I like to show you guys just about everything I do. There are more videos coming, and I thank you. I'm literally speechless. When I saw that hit 100 subscribers, I freaked out, like, in a good way. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, holy crap, I really did this. Like, I remember thinking to myself when I started this, like, there's no way, you know, I'll ever reach that, whatever. But I have. However much it does grow, thank you guys so much. So I do have a little video here for you of an exterior detail of the customer's car, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And thank you once again. Thank you. What's going on, guys? It's Caleb, and today I have a new 2019 Hyundai Accent. Although it's not necessarily a new car, it is a new car to the owner who is having it detailed by me, and we're going to make sure we get this thing in solid condition. At first glance, this car does look clean, but we need to get it dialed in so that we can put a coating on it, and it can be set up for the long term. And I tell you, this car ended up looking phenomenal. The gloss it puts off and everything. There's just something about a blue car. It's super nice. It pops really hard, especially on camera when it comes to putting soap on it. It looks gorgeous. You guys are gonna love this one, so go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and let's get on with the wheels. So yeah, right when I started this wheel, my foam cannon decided to just go kaput, start spraying everywhere uncontrollably, so I'm gonna have to get a new foam cannon. Every wheel after this one, we're gonna be using a regular spray bottle with 3-to-1 diluted P&S brake buster. I don't know what happened. I've never experienced that before. I've had a lot of foam cannons, but you know, it's a $15 cheap one from Amazon. That's what they're supposed to do, last like a year or whatever, and then you just get a new one. They're cheap, right? Thank God this foam cannon is not broken. This is the PF22.2 from Mosmatic. It is legitimately, in my opinion, the absolute best foam cannon on the market. The price is pretty steep, coming in at around $89.99 or so, depending on where you find it, but it is really worth every single penny. As usual, once we get done foaming down a car, we take our detail brush and we start brushing every crevice, every nook, every cranny. Make sure that every single piece of dirt, debris, whatever it may be, is out of places that are kind of hard to get. Now today, I've used this brush. You guys have seen it. It's kind of newer to me. It's the Max Shine Ever So Soft Detail Brush, and I've used it enough now to be able to recommend it. Honestly, guys, it is such a soft, nice brush. For cars that aren't extremely absurdly dirty, I would probably say for those, use a boar's hair brush. But ones like these where you get really clean paint, I would use a paint dedicated one like this one. This one I use is strictly for only paint, and really it is ever so soft. And it's in the description as well as the foam cannon if you're interested in this product.
Like a month and a half ago, probably longer, and I'll bust it out every now and then and take like a couple swigs.
Well, see, but you're enjoying. Now I don't have an ending montage for this one because I really just want to end this video with saying thank you. Thank you so much for hitting over 100 subscribers. I never would have guessed that it would grown like this. I mean, I could see it growing a little bit, but mostly I'm just having fun and uploading videos and hoping other people can enjoy it as much as I do. And I hope from here on out we gather more of a community that more people like ourselves enjoy watching this sort of stuff. So every paint that I lay my hand on and wipe or wash, whatever, you guys will see it. And I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy making it. Now I'm going to leave you with this clip and a little bit of music. This clip here really just shows how much this vehicle popped with the gloss. Go ahead and like the video, go ahead and hit subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.